So in this video, I want to show you how you can easily blacklist either your competitors or your current customers on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So for that, we need to go on my computer. So we are currently on the homepage of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It feels like home for me. So to start, I want to show you how to blacklist companies. And for that, we need to go here on Account Filters. So I click here. And here, as you can see, I'm on the Account Filters page. On the left here, I have all the filters. And on the right, I will have the results. So now the question is, how do I create an account blacklist? So for example, let's say that my competitors are Amazon, Microsoft, and Cisco. So all I have to do is to select these three companies. Then I click on Save to List, create new list, and then I have to write a list name. And I will write blacklist competitors or clients. Then I click on create and save. And here, as you can see, these companies are in my list, blacklist competitors or clients. So of course I can add more companies. So let's say Google and Bosch. And then I have to click here on save to list. And I click on the list. And then I have Google and Bosch in my list. If you want to add more companies, you click here on select all. Then you click on save to list, blacklist competitors or clients. And then you will have all the companies here on this page in the blacklist list. If I want to check what companies are in my blacklist list, I have to click here on accounts. Then here on the right, see account lists. And then I will have my list, blacklist competitors or clients. And when I click on this list, I have all the details of the companies that are in my blacklist list. So of course I can remove some companies. So for example, Bosch USA, I can remove that. So I click on the three dots, then remove from list. Then I click on unsave this account and its associated leads and remove from list. And then I just have to refresh the page. And then we no longer have Bosch USA in our list. So in this blacklist list, especially on account, I really suggest you to add your competitors and of course your current customers or your previous customers. Now the other thing you can do is not only to blacklist a company, but you can blacklist some people. It can be the same, meaning your competitors or even your current customers and previous customers. And for that, we need to go here on lead filters. Now, let's say that you want to blacklist some people. So I just put some filters. And let's say that, Jordan, Louis, and Miguel are my competitors or current customers. Then I have to click here on save to list. And here I have to create a new list because here we are no longer working on the account filters, but we are working on the lead filters. So I have to click here on create new list. And then I write blacklist, then competitors or clients. And then I click on create and save. And then Jordan, Louis, and Miguel are currently in my list blacklist. If I want to add more people, it works exactly the same way as an account list. So I just have to click on some more people. Then I click on save to list. And then I just click on my blacklist list. And then as you can see, I have now 5 people. If you want to check who are in your blacklist leads list, all you have to do is to click here on top on leads. Then you will find your list here, and mine is here, blacklist competitors or clients. So I click here, and here I have all the details from the people that I want to blacklist. So here it works exactly the same as the account blacklist list. So here, if I want to remove someone from the list, I just have to click here on the 3 dots. and then I have to click on remove from list. And then I remove these leads from all lists and unsaved these leads. And then I click on remove from list. And then as you can see, I have now only 4 people in my blacklist lead list. All right, so now that you know how to create an account or a lead blacklist, it's time for us to see how to use these blacklist lists. So if we go back on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and we go on lead filters, let's say that you want to reach out to head of sales in San Francisco, for example. Oh, no, not industry, geography, San Francisco Bay Area. So here we have more than 800 people. And now if I want to make sure that I will not export some people that I don't want, I need to use my blacklist list. So for that, you have to click here on account list. Then we have to find blacklist competitors, and we click on exclude and not include. You really need to take care to click on exclude. So I click on exclude, and here with this filter, I know that I will not reach out to people who are working in a company that we have blacklisted before. And now if we want to apply our blacklist leads list, we have to click here on lead list, and I find here my blacklist list, and same here, I click on exclude. That's perfect. So as you can see on the top right of my screen, the number of people reduced. So we had almost 850 people, and now we have 806 people in this list. So as you can see, with this technique, you make sure that you don't reach out to companies or people that are either your competitors or your customers. And you avoid this situation where you send a message to someone you don't want to and you feel a little bit worried because you just reach out to your competitors. Now, if you want to export these leads into a clean leads file where you have all the data you need to reach out to these people with, of course, their verified emails, you can try the tool Give Me Leads, and for that you just need to click in the first link in the description. So I really hope that this blacklist technique will help you to build better list of leads. And now it's time for me to wish you a nice day, and I see you either on Give Me Leads or on the next video. Bye bye.